Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be.
Alright, y'all, we're at the Conrad here in Orlando. We just got in our room. We're about to explore the property. I'll take y'all with me. I'm gonna take my Osmo. I don't know how much I'll be vlogging on this trip because this is our little weekend getaway. But like the restaurants we go to, I'll vlog in there a little bit. I got my 360, so I'll like set it down. I'll take y'all right now because we just got here. I'll take y'all around the resort a little bit, and then the rest of the time is ours. So heart emoji in the comments for the lovers. Right, honey? Right, honey?
Yeah.
Alright, so I guess I'll unpack once we get back. I'm just gonna walk around a little bit right now, see where everything is. Oh, they have Byredo in here. Mojave Ghost, the soap and the body lotion, which I think I did bring my body lotion. I need to put a deodorant on. And then we're gonna unpack. What kind of, oh cool, they have the Byredo body wash too. So this area right here is some more villas that you can rent out. If you're staying in the Evermore, you can rent these villas. If you're staying at the Conrad, you can come on the Evermore property. But if you're staying on the Evermore property, you can't come to the Conrad, which is a little messed up if you ask me. But this is, you have like more than just two people and you want to stay in a house. Like you have your kids, or you have like couples or girls trip, you can do these. They have other ones on the other side of the property that's like houses, like basically Airbnbs, if you will. But I would stay on the opposite side because they're really cute. But these are cute too. These are more like condo style. But yeah, it's really nice. This will be a perfect girls trip. I can't wait to take you guys to the spa in the morning because it's going to be amazing. Like, this is the front of this property, so it's basically like condos, I would say. And then over there is the houses.
Not on this, around this pool.
Yeah, you could get like big houses. It's a pretty penny. But if you want to do like a big girls trip or like a big family trip where you need like 10 bedrooms plus, they have that at the Evermore. Now, and this is the back of the hotel. I hope I'm doing a good job filming this because I'm telling y'all, I have been getting mostly short form content for TikTok and Instagram, but I will show y'all. We still have a couple more days, so I'll try to get better footage. This is just day one. So I am getting ready for dinner. I'm not gonna vlog in there, but I will show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing the Conrad robe, which is very comfortable. So I took a shower, we chilled for a little bit, and now it's time for dinner. I will show you guys the outfit. I just wanted to pop in because I'm not doing too much vlogging, but I do want to show you guys some stuff. So I will definitely show you guys the outfit of the night. Remember I told y'all about the top that I got from Artizia? That's the top that I'll be wearing. One of the tops that I'll be wearing tonight is the black one, because I actually got this top in 2 different colors. So I'm wearing the black one tonight, so I'll show y'all how that one look. So I'll be ready shortly and I will show you guys. I'm gonna flat out my hair. It shouldn't take me that long to do my makeup, because you know that's always pretty simple. So yeah. One thing I love to do when I come to any hotel, if you guys have been here for a while, y'all already know I have to bring a candle to any hotel that I stay in. I also usually bring a small fan, but we left it in the car. But we'll probably grab that one tomorrow. But it's really cold in here, so I should be fine. But I just brought this little small replica candle, which is perfect for the hotel. This is Bubble Bath, and that's the one that I'll be burning. I bring a candle to any hotel I'm staying unless I'm doing a cruise. So, yes. Always, always, always. So I'm gonna be sleeping over here, so I will just put it over here. I'm gonna finish my makeup over here because Tony's in the shower and the steam, I won't be able to do everything that I gotta do. So the only thing I have to do now is just put on my lashes. Where is my mascara? I think I pretty much packed everything. I didn't forget anything. So I'm gonna just pop on some lashes. And finish up my makeup, and then I'll be pretty much done. Flat iron my hair, and I'll be done. Really simple. I am wearing this gorgeous Yaki unit. You guys will be seeing this sometime next week. It's the perfect length. I love it. Even though I can wipe the glue up, but thank you to everyone that watched the last vlog, which was today, Friday. Thank you so much. I appreciate all y'all love. Y'all know I love y'all. Y'all my ride or dies, and I love y'all so much. So I thank y'all for supporting the channel. Y'all supporting the real one. I'm trying to tell you. This is I've been doing the same lip combo forever. I do switch up my brands sometimes, but this is the NYX Butter Gloss. I've been wearing this for a while, but I always stick to the same color family, I would say. But y'all know I've been wearing the NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the color Butterscotch. I've been wearing this for years, maybe like 3 years. And then I also mix it with the Champagne by the brand Milani. And you can just do any brown liner with it, and then I just do a clear gloss over it. And that is my lip combo. I really love this Fenty. This one is in the color Traced Out. So pretty. because I always get so many questions about my lip combo. Where is my clear gloss? It's probably in my purse. All right, now where is my? I just had it. My tweezers to put my lashes on. Here it is. Okay. The Everyday Flare from Sephora is another one of my favorite lashes. Cause I like a nice natural looking lash. I don't like anything that's too full, too fake looking. I don't like that. I like something that looks very natural, not too long, which is one of the reasons why I don't get lash extensions, because I like for my lashes to look a certain way. And I don't like that over fluffy, over full lash look on me. I do like it on some girls. I think it looks gorgeous, but on me, I just prefer something a little more natural. And I like to be able to take them on and off if I don't like them. All right, y'all, so this is the outfit of the night. I don't know how much y'all can see because I'm a little far away, but I have on these little black heels. I'm not too sure where I got these from. I think I got these from H&M. These trousers are from Amazon. The top is from Artizia and the bag is from Amazon. Then I have on a YSL bracelet. These earrings are from Amazon, I think. So yeah, but this is the top that I got from Artizia. The back is completely out, and I also have it in the cream color. It's cute, right? I love it. I'll link it in the description box below. So cute. You like my outfit, Tony? Cute. I think it looks really cute. And y'all know this is the Bottega dupe. Just a little pop of color. I decided to go with this instead of doing like an all black. I don't have a gold bag or anything like that, so.
So amazing is the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. 2020, you've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated.
Alright, y'all, we're back. The food was, what would you say?
It was good to me.
I'll give it a 7 out of 10. And tomorrow we're gonna leave the hotel to eat. So we've tried pretty much all the restaurants at the hotel except for this one little spot.
Papaya.
Papaya, yeah. And that's just another little spot at the pool. So maybe we'll try it tomorrow. Just have like a quick little bite. But remember I told y'all that in the morning I have a spa appointment. And you said what?
It ain't in the morning.
Well, it's at noon, but I'm going in the morning because remember I can go as early as I want. They open at 8 o'clock, so I can go as early as I want to.
Watch your tone, man. Watch your tone.
Please. This is the tone you're gonna get. So yeah, that's it for tonight, guys. Bye. It is Saturday morning. Spa day. Hey. Okay, y'all, so it is time for the massage. I'm so excited because I need this, Lord knows. So, I gotta be out there in 3 minutes. So I need to use the restroom really quick, but it's so nice. I love it.
Under the lights, you look so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why.
We're back, guys. We're home. We stopped by and picked up Tony too. So we're all here. The gang is all back together again.